minute.
Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's video, we're gonna do a quick update right here in the Bitcoin price. As you can see right here, there's our rising wedge over here. Broke out. It almost met the target, which is on the bottom of the rising wedge. You see that it came close and then bounced back for the Bitcoin price. And also at the same time, the Bitcoin price is also forming this pattern right here, which is a descending rounding wedge, which is a bullish pattern right now. The price target for this descending wedge would be measured like this. You put this from here, the trend line from the bottom of the wedge to the top of the wedge, and you put it like so, and the price target will be around $50,150 from here. In order for this price target to be met, the Bitcoin price will have to show an increase in volume, and also these bearish divergences you see right here can't be playing out. I'm going to show you right here why. Because from like here, the Bitcoin price cannot get a bearish divergence from here if the Bitcoin price wants to meet these $50,000, $150 price targets. So in the meantime, that is the price target, and also it has confluence with this support line. If we extend this support line like so, you can see that the price target will be very close to this strong support line, which was previous support, and now it will act as resistance, as you can see right there. And also you can see that the volume is decreasing, so you need to watch out for that. So right now, as long as the Bitcoin price holds this Fibonacci retracement, this green line, and consolidate and then start going upwards, then it will most likely keep going upwards. But very important key thing right here, the volume has to increase. Right now it's decreasing very drastically, while you see this increase in the price. You see this drastic increase, but if it's not accompanied by some strong volume, then it will most likely be a fake out pump. What's a fake out pump? That the price shows that it's on a strong uptrend, but it will immediately fall back because there's no continuation in the volume. Also, as you can see right here, going into the 4-hour time frame, the Bitcoin price has been following for some months right now this pattern right here, this rising wedge. And exactly when the Bitcoin price went to this red line as support, the Bitcoin price bounced $1,000 in 1 hour, literally. And so right now, also there's another support right here, which is the blue line here. It's a Fibonacci retracement, huge support also. So as long as the Bitcoin price stays above this red line, then the Bitcoin price will keep going upwards. And also guys, the price target I mentioned a couple of days ago was met. Remember this falling wedge I mentioned? Broke out exactly as I predicted in regards of the Bitcoin price. If it will break out of this resistance, then it will most likely go to this target around the top of the wedge, which the price met the exact target, and that's an increase of around 10%. So, but from the point of breakout, that would be a 5%. So literally, if you took this trade, you would have made a 5%, and with leverage you can drastically increase that percentage of gains. So yeah guys, congratulations if you follow my price action. Anyways, if you manage to do it anyways, congratulations also, as you can see right here also. So yeah guys, and also there was a descending rounding wedge like this, and it also broke out, as you can see right here, boom. And the price target was also meant for that pattern like so, and look at that, exactly at the price target, and after that, boom, breakdown to the downside. So congratulations guys if you follow these patterns as I mentioned before, and congratulations guys. Yes guys, going into the daily time frame, I can see another important thing happening in the Bitcoin price. Going into the daily RSI, I drew this pattern right here. You can see that the Bitcoin price using the momentum indicator in the RSI is following this price action, as you can see right here: resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. And so I can see right here that if this RSI momentum indicator starts to break out of this support line, then the Bitcoin price will most likely go into a huge pullback. And if the Bitcoin price can manage to break out of this resistance, then the Bitcoin price can easily do a quick and big pump to the upside. So yeah guys, that is today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Bybit link in the description below, where you can deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin and you can get an estimated amount of $500 worth of Bitcoin. Only use my Bybit link in the description below if you're an experienced trader and you know what the Bitcoin price will most likely do in the short term. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, guys. Have a nice day, guys, and peace out, guys.